Why is having your top 100 list together so important? If you're a real estate agent in the market today and you're looking for tips, tricks, and resources on how to better run your business, click the subscribe button below. So let's talk about your top 100 list. Why is this such an important key part of your business? Why does every real estate coach or trainer start off with building your database out? Why do they tell you to get 100 people in your database that are in your market that know, like, and trust you? Name, email, address, cell phone number. And let's say that you consistently market to them. Maybe you're friends with them all on Facebook. You create a close friends list on Facebook with your top 100. And you stay in touch with them consistently. Maybe you send them a weekly email. Maybe they see you posting multiple times on social media each week. If you've got people that are in your database that know, like, and trust you, and they see you consistently in the real estate industry and see some evidences of success, they're going to be more apt to refer you to potential buyers and sellers. Now let's think about our database. Let's say the average person moves one time every 10 years. And I think it's actually less than that. But let's say 10, for example. That means that 10 people out of your 100 are going to buy a home in the upcoming year. Now, how many of those need to sell a home? Maybe half of those. Let's say half of them need to sell a home. Right now, you've got potentially 15 transactions from your top 100 list that you could help them buy or sell real estate with. Now let's say you do a really good job with those 10 people that you help. Do you think they're going to be more apt to refer you somebody that they know that's buying or selling real estate over the next year? Maybe in year 2, each one of those 10 people refer you one client. And now those 10 new buyers have to sell another 5 homes. Let's not forget, year 2, the other 10% are going to come along and they're going to need to buy or sell a home in this next upcoming year. You now, by year 2, have the ability to generate 30 deals. When you start looking at your top 100 list as a true database that is going to feed you and how that can exponentially feed you over time, you understand the importance of this. Most real estate agents skip it. You start holding open houses. You don't put your top list together. You start generating Facebook leads, people who you've never talked to before. And we spend money on them and continue to market to them. And we never get anything out of it. But we neglect the people who know, like, and trust us already. And when we think about the math that comes along with this top 100, and then every year we're adding people to this database, can you see how exponentially over time, when that list hits 200 people, how this can turn your business into just starting out to a 40 transaction, maybe 50 transaction year, and a ton of money? Why? It's concentrating on your top 100, concentrating on people from the start who know, like, and trust you is going to feed your business into the future. It doesn't always start out as fast as a paid lead source or leads from a team or referral leads. But over time, this is going to feed your business. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully that makes sense for you, and hopefully you understand why it is so important to get your database together and put together a top 100 list in your database.